Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Top 10. So in today's video, let's learn how to download videos from Musical.ly. The method that we are going to learn today is so far the easiest one and requires downloading just a light application from the Google Play Store. The name of the app that we need to download is Video Saver for Musical.ly. I'll be linking the app in the description of this video as well. So head over to the Google Play Store and download the app. Once you've done that, open up the Musical.ly app and play the video you want to download. Then click on this 3-button menu and select Copy Link. Now that the link of the video has been copied, once you open the Musical.ly video downloader app, which is installed as saver.ly, the app will automatically grab the link that we have copied. Now we can download the video by just clicking at the download button and the download will start. Once the video is downloaded, you can find your video in your gallery or photos and you can So that's all guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, stay cool and stay creative.